What if I'm not going to bleed on my first night? Does that mean anything? Well, 100% yes. It could mean that you have had intercourse in the past, or you might have had not. Or it could also mean that you might born without any hymen, that is what we call as absent hymen. You might born with the one that has completely covered the vagina like a seal, and you had to pass through a surgery that is called as hymenectomy. And if you are new, hi, my name is Dr. Mitali Rathod. I am consultant obstetrician and gynecologist, and on this beautiful YouTube channel, we talk about periods, hormones, reproductive health and so much more. So without wasting any further time, we are going to discussing these things in today's video. So make sure you subscribe and watch till the end. Prior we move further, I highly recommend you to watch these two videos that builds the context about the hymen and why and how much you are actually going to bleed on your first time. Primarily, first time bleeding happens because the hymen that guards the vaginal opening, a small mucous membrane that gets stretched during the first time intercourse, especially in women. Well, there are few more studies that also state is that men, maybe we have a frenulum that gets attached to the tip of the penis, the glans penis, that also gets stretched. So somehow there are few researchers that also says that just like women, men too have a virginity, although there are not lots of scientific evidences which proves that. But yes, this is the core reason, just because of the small piece of tissue that gets stretched during the intercourse, which is why the first time bleeding happens. Also, it's not just because of the hymen, but during the intercourse, if there are vaginal tear, perineal tear or fornical tear happens, sometimes on a very rare occasion like complete perineal tear, into those case scenarios also you are going to have some sort of bleeding, or it could turn out into the massive torrential bleeding sometimes as well, just like CPT, a very rare encounter. So the first time bleeding happens because we have a small piece of tissue that guards the vaginal opening that gets break while penetrative sort of intercourse. But there are few other instances like indulging into many activities during childhood, like riding a bicycle or horse riding or playing any kind of sports, during which also the hymen gets stretched and bleeding might or might not happen. You know that as many as 12 different types of hymen has been found, and out of which the crescentic or the moon-shaped hymen is the most commonly seen. So any type of physical activity that includes running or jogging or riding a bicycle or just spreading legs, it could lead to a stretching of hymen that might get ruptured from one end to another, and that might bleed or that might not bleed. उसके साथ साथ जो हमने अपने मिसकंसेप्शंस जोड़ रखे हैं कि फर्स्ट टाइम में इतना ब्लड होगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी पार्शियली ट्रू. सो यू माइट ब्लीड फ्रॉम फ्यू ड्रॉप्स टू उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. ऑफकोर्स कोई ऐसे वहाँ जाके नापने नहीं बैठा है. Of course, we don't have any concrete research to support this, but hymen is nothing more than a vestigial piece of tissue that guards the vaginal canal, and there are few women who actually born without hymen. तो पहली बार या 10वीं बार उन लोगों में bleeding होगा ही नहीं, because there is no piece of tissue that gets stretched out. बट अगेन पैरायूरेथ्रल या पेरिनियल या फिर पैरा सर्वाइकल और फॉर्नाइशल टेयर अगर होगी तो उनमें ब्लीडिंग हो भी सकता है डिस्पाइट दे हैव बोर्न विदाउट हाइमेन. By now I am assuming that everyone amongst us are very well aware regarding the fact that we have 12 different types of hymen that has been found. There are few women who are born with such type of hymens that they are thick, flashy, and their placement is somewhere little bit deep inside the vagina. So they might not bleed on their first time, but during the subsequent intercourse उनका bleeding होगा. So how are you going to judge these women, right? The idea behind amount of blood that we are going to bleed is very confusing. तो देखो few ml से लेके बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ कोई सा भी अमाउंट का ब्लीडिंग हो सकता है. एंड कीपिंग अ बेडशीट, अ वाइट बेडशीट अलॉन्ग विथ फ्लावर्स एंड एक्चुअली मेजरिंग अ अमाउंट इज़ नॉट वेरी साइंटिफिकली बेक्ड आइडिया. क्योंकि देखो इफ़ अ वुमेन इज़ वर्जिन और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पेनिट्रेशन नहीं हुआ है, देन इट माइट फील कि थोड़ा बहुत स्पॉटिंग ही होगा दैट हैज़ रीमेड along the introitus और opening of the vagina. बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा blood नहीं आएगा कि आपकी bedsheet को stain कर जाएगा. So still you are going to judge a woman depending upon those small things. I can clearly understand that this idea of virginity is very big for few communities or few people, be it men or women. I have no clear idea regarding men, but I have consulted lots and lots of women. I get hundreds and thousands of DM, and I have had those DMs in the past as well, that women are shit scared regarding these things. दे हैव आस्क्ड मी मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस, चाहे वो पहले रिलेशनशिप में थे, फिजिकली एक्टिव थे, नहीं थे. They are really scared because they find that what if this is not going to happen and their husband and their family, the future family, is going to judge you. So yes, the only and only way by which you can find out a woman is virgin or not is simple. Only and only one thing, by asking her, because you cannot rely upon these anatomical things. They are highly variable and bio individual. To satisfy one's ego or mind, there are different types of techniques are also available in the market. They are not very scientifically baked, and those are fake virginity pills, into which there are some capsule like pills are available that you have to actually insert it inside your vagina. It has some cattle dried blood powder or something inside that. So depending upon when it comes into the contact with the vaginal secretion, that mimics as a first blood. So देखो, bleeding तो हो जाएगा, but how you are going to create that foundation of a relationship that is going to be trust for your entire life? Recently I have also came across one reel on Instagram which states that इन पुराने ज़माने में ऐसा होता था कि एक्चुअली वो लोग लीच को पकड़ के वजाइना में रख देते थे शादी से एक दिन पहले, सो दैट दैट लीच इज गोइंग टू बाइट दैट इनर पोर्शन ऑफ वजाइना, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दैट स्कैब इज गोइंग टू गेट क्रिएटेड, एंड व्हेन अ पीनस इंसर्शन हैपेंस दैट स्कैब गेट्स डिसलॉज्ड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच शी इज गोइंग टू bleed. So to mimic it as a first blood, women can go up to these extent. Also, we have hymenoplasty or vaginal rejuvenating, and 100 types of surgical options are also available as a cosmetic gynecology. But मुझे नहीं पता ये पागलपन कौन सी और कितनी हद तक जाने वाला है. तो imagine that your partner has got done all of these things, उसके बाद उनका first bleed हो गया. So how are you going to trust her? And what if he is going to find out someday that you had passed through all of these things? And even if he won't find out ever, you have done these things on yourself. So how are you going to able to trust yourself? The idea behind proving yourself pure or virgin and you have to give sabut out of it is very patriarchal, narrow-minded, and I can understand for someone it's going to be a very big deal that you have to give answer. It's like a cultural practice जो सालों से चली आ रही है और आपको भी ये आगे चल के करना ही पड़ेगा. I can totally get that. इसके नाम पे ना बहुत सारे लोग के डिवोर्स हो जाते हैं, शादी टूट जाती है, मरने मारने तक भी लोग आ जाते हैं. बट दिस होल आइडिया इज़ वेरी ईगो इन्फ्लेटेड एंड पेट्रियार्कल. This, by doing this, you are actually going to violate someone's privacy. You can seriously damage someone's self-worth and their dignity. So I don't know, I am not the best person to advise you what you should do and what you should not. If you are 18 plus, I'm sure you are adult and mature enough to decide what type of person you want to be it you are a man or a woman. So, but only one thing I would like to say is we are 110% better than this. सो आई होप कि ये वाले वीडियो में आपको अच्छी तरीके से जानकारी मिली है. इफ़ मिली है देन प्लीज़ गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. नेक्स्ट वीडियो कौन सा देखना चाहते हो प्लीज़ गिव मी रिकमेंडेशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, और उसके बाद ये वाला वीडियो ज़रूर देखना. बाय बाय.